Are you a voice teacher cringing at the thought of a student asking for a pop rock song? Trust me, we've all been there, but don't worry, that's why I'm here. Hey there, my name is Heather, aka the Pop Rock Coach, and I am here to be your musical ally. As a vocal, audition, and rep coach, and the lead vocalist for not one, but two bands, I live and breathe pop rock music. Welcome to my channel, where I'm all about helping voice teachers, singers, and anyone else interested navigate the fantastic world of pop rock music, be it in repertoire, performing, or even music history. Now, I totally get it. Finding appropriate and cool pop rock songs for young singers can be a real puzzle. They want to sing what's on the radio or what their friends are jamming to, but it's not always easy to find suitable material. Well, that's where I come in to help you and your students discover the perfect tunes that will have them singing with joy. In today's video, we're going to dive into 10 more pop rock songs that are oh so cool and perfect for young singers. Don't worry if you missed the first part. These songs are in no particular order, so you didn't miss a thing. But just in case you're curious, I'll link the first video up here and down in the description, so be sure to check that out. Oh, and while you're here, why not hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the awesome content coming your way. Plus, I'm dying to hear what more you'd like to know about pop rock music, so don't forget to leave your thoughts and requests in the comments. But before we get started, let me share my 3 essential reminders for singing pop rock music. Number 1, gender doesn't matter. Change the pronouns, don't change the pronouns, it doesn't matter. Number 2, which should be number 1, change the key. And number 3 is do a little research about the songs and the artists, get to know the story behind the music and how you can connect to the song. Cool, no more waiting, let's get down to business. There are 10 more pop rock songs that are super cool, totally appropriate, and an absolute blast to sing for young singers and anyone else who's up for it. Number 1, I Am Woman by Helen Reddy. Let me tell y'all this, there is nothing more powerful than watching an 8-year-old young girl sit on a piano stool with a microphone in her hand and belt out Helen Reddy's I Am Woman. It will forever be one of my most favorite performances ever by a young student. So do yourself a favor and that young student of yours and give them that song. Number 2 is I guess that's why they call it The Blues by Elton John. Any chance that I get to give a student one of his songs, I am on. Now, this song became one of Elton John's biggest hits in the 80s, and a fun tidbit features Stevie Wonder on harmonica. 70s folk singer Melanie and current pop singer Alicia Cara have all done revamped versions that may be fun to listen to for a different arrangement and feel. Number 3 is Learn to Fly by the Foo Fighters. This is a great song that eases into actual rock and roll without being too heavy. In my opinion, it's a really, really great example of a rock and roll song that gained pop status. And I love the fact that Dave Grohl confessed that he wrote it because he actually wanted to learn to be a pilot. Number 4 is Rainbow Connection by the Muppets. Remember that student earlier that also belted out I Am Woman? Well, they also changed tunes and volume and very innocently connected with and sung the Rainbow Connection by our super famous froggy friend, Kermit. Number 5 is Rather Be by Clean Bandit, featuring the phenomenal singer Jess Glynn. It's a really great song and an opportunity for a singer to sing positively about loving another person, be it in a romantic way, friend, or family, or the dog. Number 6 is Rise Up by Andra Day. This song really, really, really pulls at the heartstrings, but it's also a super great way for young ones to have an outlet to connect with their feelings and express themselves, and this song is a great way to do it. Number 7 is Stars by Grace Potter. Nope, this isn't Les Mis Stars, but I love that song. Musical theater stuff will come in another video. I love this song and I love Grace Potter. Now, Stars is a really big ballad and great for someone with a big voice and big expressions and big feels. So a perfect song to let all that out. Coming in at number 8 is These Boots Are Made for Walking by Nancy Sinatra, Frank Sinatra's daughter Nancy made this an iconic song, and it has been covered multiple times since its original release in 1966. From the Supremes to Loretta Lynn to Olivia Holt to Jessica Simpson to Haley Reinhart, this is a great song to give you the feels of the mod 1960s and a perfect excuse to wear some thigh-high white boots. Number 9 is Walking on Sunshine by Katrina and the Waves. This upbeat, fun, catchy pop song is so great to also incorporate some movement in the song. Doesn't have to be a fully choreographed dance, just movement, because it's really, really hard to sing this song without jumping around and dancing. And Dolly Parton also covered this song, so if it's good enough for Dolly, then quite frankly, it's good enough for anyone. And coming in at number 10 is What Makes You Beautiful by One Direction. You can't get more power, pop, young person oriented song than One Direction's What Makes You Beautiful. This song was the group's debut single and an absolute commercial smash. It's awesome. It's fun. It's infectious. It's a good song, a good message, and it's great for young singers to sing. And you don't have to be in a boy band to sing it. All right, folks, there you have it. 10 more pop songs to start with that are absolutely perfect for all you young and talented singers out there. But wait, there's more. You can find these gems and a whole bunch of other awesome tracks on my Pop Music for Teens Spotify playlist. Check out the link below in the comments and get ready to jam. Oh, and if you want this list in a handy PDF file, I got you covered. Just go ahead and head to the comment section and you'll find the link waiting for you as well. If this video was helpful, drop me a comment below and tell me what other info you need. Choosing pop rock songs, singing tips, performing like a rock star, you name it, I am here for it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. You rock. Until next time, peace out, my friends. Now go be awesome and rock on.